dolls, it's your girl Tisha Monique back again, dolls, and today I have an exciting video for you dolls that I could not wait to film. It is going to be the unboxing of this gorgeous new bag that I was so gratefully gifted with to share with you dolls, and you are absolutely going to love these quality designer inspired bags that you can get your hands on today. Products are tea on point, perfect for Black Friday, perfect for the holidays, for yourself or for a gift. But you dolls know that we love luxury items over here, a fraction of the price. So I definitely wanted to hop on here and share this with you guys just in time for the holidays so you can get your hands on it for yourself, or if you wanted to give it as a gift, this will be the perfect timing. So without further ado, I want to share this gorgeous bag for you. I'm going to unbox her right here for the first time, put my eyes on it with you dolls, and everything will be listed below, all of the links, all of the details, sizing, etc. But I'm so obsessed. I've already taken a quick little sneak peek at it, so I know that she is divine and so gorgeous. So let's just hop. First and foremost, everything looks so great with the packaging, from all of the details down to the actual bag itself. But this is why I'm saying this would be great for a gift or for yourself, of course, because the details is just spot on. As someone who has original luxury item, Yves Saint Laurent, myself, I know the details. I have that fine-tooth eye for the detail. And I'm telling you guys, look at the box, okay? If you were to receive this or have this for yourself, this is it. This is it, okay? This is so gorgeous. The packaging, all of the details are there that you would look for when you went into store or online to purchase your designer packages, okay? And this is nothing different from that. The box is spot on, the lettering, the detail, and everything. The quality is there. So let's go ahead and unbox this gorgeous bag. I'm super excited. So it has the tissue, it has everything that you will need. Look at that. It has the dust bag in there for you dolls. Very nice. I love that all of the detail and the quality is there, because you girls know that I am all about it. So I just had to hop on and share this with you guys today. So once we get in there, this is packaged really nicely. And girls, I'm so excited. I did pick out this bag myself, and when I saw it on the website, I was just so gagged. I was like, I have to get this bag. Fantastic in a collection. So you pull it out of the package, and this is the bag that I opted to get. It is a top handle Yves Saint Laurent designer inspired bag, and this is so gorgeous. Are you kidding me? I love the gold detailing. I feel like the emblem or the logo here is so beautiful. I love the top closure on it, because you know, for a night out on the town, this would be perfect. And then on the inside here, it just has the tissue paper, so I'm gonna take that out. It's a little in there, like if you were to purchase, you'd have that in your bag. But it does have the crossbody strap here, which is packaged really nice. And let me open this up for you guys. Like I said, this is unboxing as we go. And oh my gosh, the chain quality is so gorgeous, you guys. A lot of times you'll get maybe a designer inspired bag and the quality is very telltale just with the naked eye. But oh my God, it has all the details on the actual clasp here. It has the logo embellished there. And you can easily just snap this into the side. And you can wear this crossbody. This is so gorgeous. I am so excited about this bag, you guys. I saw this and I was like, yes, this is the one I definitely want to pick to try. But I love bags like this because you can hold them by the top handle. It has the magnetic closure on the top like that. On the top like that. So I like to hold my crossbody strap along with the top handle in my hand like this. I just think it looks so chic and so elegant, especially for a night out, date night, or whatever you are wearing the bag for. But of course you can opt to have it without the chain, or you could wear it crossbody with the strap. And this is a really nice strap. I think it feels really light to carry. It doesn't feel too heavy, but it doesn't feel too light to where it feels like it's faux or fake or anything like that. I love the quilted detail of this, because this is the signature YSL type look and feel, and it's just a gorgeous bag. This is just an example of how amazing the bag quality is. I'll put her up close for y'all to see. But all the bags on the site are reasonably priced, and the great thing about it is that you can source these and they will arrive very fast, quickly shipped, great detail and care, so it arrives in great condition. It's not bent, it's not distorted. But you can get these, like I was saying, just in time for the holidays, all of your evening parties, or if you have events to go to. I think this will be a great bag to carry. But all of the bags on the site, there was such a great variety that really impressed me. It wasn't just the typical bags that you see every day, or that you run the risk of having the same bag that other dolls are carrying. I think that the selection on here was top tier, and I love that about this site. That was one thing that I even replied to the company saying, is that, wow, y'all have such a great selection of bags. I can't wait to share this with my audience, because we eat stuff like this up. We love uniqueness, we love to stand out, unique selection, very stylish, just pieces that you don't see all the time. And I like that, because you want to stand out. You don't want to have the same bag all the time that everybody else is carrying. And I love this one. I love the top handle and how it's not flimsy. It's holding its shape. You know, this is holding its shape and it's empty. This bag is totally empty. Let me show you dolls what it looks like on the inside. It is one that you could get an organizer for, but it's just a really pretty vessel. It does have the YSL logo down in there. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but this is a gorgeous bag. I'm so glad to have this bag in my collection. I think it's just a unique piece. I love unique bags and things that I'm stepping out with, and it's all for me, it's all mine in a crowd, and have some signature pieces that will look great in your collection. And I think this is one. Of course, you can put your hands on this bag. They have so many great bags. I saw some velvet quilted Chanel handbags. The smaller bags are tea. They had the larger size bags as well that you could get your hands on for travel. If you're going on vacation during the winter, spring months, you can start to pull some pieces into your collection that you could take along with you or have going forward. And with the quality, you guys, there's no smell, there's nothing like that. This is not that type of party over here. These are top tier bags. The quality is immaculate, and these are 1-for-1 replicas, so they look really good. They're undetectable. For you to have out and about, you don't have to worry about somebody spotting your bag or having it spotted as an imposter or anything like that, because these are just great quality bags. So that's why I wanted to share these with you dolls. And you know, I don't just share anything over here, because you know, this is a reflection of me, and I wouldn't share anything with you guys that I myself am not carrying it. And I would definitely be carrying this. You will see this bag, so you already know this is so good, so gorgeous. I can't wait to carry this bag. I'm gonna insert how I'm wearing this bag, some outfits that I paired it with for upcoming events and just the holiday season. I think it looks so luxe and so gorgeous. But of course, you're not paying that top dollar full price value or price that you would pay if you're going into the actual YSL store. I will put the site down below. The site will be available. I believe I have a discount code for you dolls. I will include that below as well, or on the screen. Super excited about this product and so happy with the customer service, and wanted to share that with you dolls quickly. This bag is so gorgeous. I hope that you're able to get your hands on this one or something similar. Comment below, let me know what you think about this bag. I think it's so gorgeous. I am obsessed, instantly obsessed. The same material that you would get from your YSL bags, the hardware, the leather. She's a beaut. I mean, she is a gorgeous badass with it. I can't wait to fill this up. I will be putting my YSL card holder here, and I'm definitely going to be looking to order some more pieces for myself, because like I said, they have so many gorgeous pieces. So, and I'm going to remove the chain just so you can see how it looks without it again. So you can do it either way, but it's so beautiful. I absolutely love it. Just an up close on the hardware. The coloring is proper. It's not like too gold or faded or tarnished looked or anything. It's just amazing. So yeah, that is it dolls. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to check out the link below. Absolutely love this bag, but find you one for yourself or for gift giving. Please be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Of course, leave me a comment, give it a thumbs up, a like. I love to see your feedback, and I will chat with you dolls in the next one. Bye.